Wednesday, and today I'm going to do some challenges along with our new story. Yes, challenges, not one, not two, but 3 challenges. It's going to keep you busy, innit? So the story is all about these 3 men standing up for God against a king who thinks he's above God. And they, despite all the threats, refuse to bow down to earthly king because their heart belongs to God. Do you think that there are places in our world where people who are friends of Jesus have to stand tall? They have to stand firm. They have to be really courageous and say, I am a friend of Jesus. Well, sadly, there are. Ryan and Elena and I went to a youth event a couple of years ago, and we were introduced to a group called Release, who they look after friends of Jesus who've been put in prison, or life is pretty hard for them because they will not stand away from Jesus. They stand tall and stand courageous, saying that they're friends of Jesus despite anything that could happen to them. So today there are people just like Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. Now your first challenge, you're going to listen carefully. It's a code. And these are some of the countries where friends of Jesus find life very hard because they could end up in prison or lose their job. All sorts of things could happen to them. Now the code is, it's a very simple code. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and write the way down. Okay, now here is the first country where bad things can happen to friends of Jesus. You ready for this? Get your pen and paper ready. I'm also going to put this sheet up in the chat for the parents so that you can look at it together later on. So first country. 16. 1. 11. 9. 19. 20. 1. 14. Next country. 9. 14. 4. 9. 1. Next one. 14. 15. 18. 20. 8. 11. 18 5 1. That's a 2-word country. Now our next one. 3 8 9 14 1. Next one. 14 9 7 5 18 9 1. Next one. 3 15 12 15 13 2 9 1. Now that's the countries, which are really quite hard on Friends of Jesus. Now, here is your next challenge. Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego had to be very courageous. Now that's spelt Courageous. Now what I'd like you to do here is I'd like you to see how many words you can find in that word. Use each letter once and once only. It's a hard one. That would take me all day. Now your last challenge is you're going to need a Bible, or you're going to need to look up this text in the Bible. You can do that online as well. Now we're looking for Psalm 27 verse 3b. And I'm going to give you that text all jumbled up, so you're going to have to sort it out to make sense. So listen to the jumbled up text. If will enemies attack, trust even God me still. So how's that? So that's your 3 challenges. I hope you got on okay with them. As I said, I'll put the sheets up in the chat so your parents can look at it along with you. And so I hope you've got a little picture map of the world and some stickers, or even just a pen, because I'm going to do is we're going to do some prayers, and I'm also going to give you a bit of a clue. We're going to pray for the different countries where friends of Jesus have a hard time. And you're going to mark on the maps where you think they are. That's a difficult prayer, isn't it? So I'll see you over the prayer space, okay? Bye for now. Hi, Starsquad Wednesday. Now, welcome to the prayer area. Now today, I hope you've got a map of the world in front of you, or one that you can point to. So what we're going to do is going to show a flag, tell you where it is, and we'll colour it in together. And what we'll be doing while we're doing that is thinking about all the different friends of Jesus in that country who are finding life very hard. We'll do that thinking quietly. This is something called a visual prayer. So we're doing something visually, then we're praying inside a quiet prayer to God about the situation. And once we're done with it today, put it in a safe place, because there'll be another time where we'll get our map out and we'll do some visual praying with it. So I'm going to show you a flag, tell you what country it is, and we'll colour it in. Okay, so here we go. This is our first one. This is the flag of Nigeria. Help the children and all the people of Nigeria to stand tall in you. Here we have India. Help all the friends of Jesus in India stand tall in your love. This is Colombia. Be with the friends of Jesus in Colombia who've stood tall, loving you. Now, this one is North Korea. Be with the friends of Jesus in North Korea who go through a lot because they stand tall, loving Jesus. Now this is Pakistan. This is our next one. It's China. And China takes up a huge bit of the planet. Father, we remember the people in China, the people who are friends of Jesus, and their children too. Be with them as they stand tall and have courage and shout out, "We love Jesus." So as I said, if we hang on to our maps, and then another time we're going to do a colouring in visual prayer for a certain country and people in certain countries, we can pull it out again and we can do that, and we can use a different colour. So see you later. Bye.